Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to learn some tricks to make your videos pop with cool animations? First, create a new project. Then, from the menu, select Videos to begin adding your video files for editing. We'll use a landscape video format to ensure your content displays correctly on all screens. Next, select the Elements option. Carefully look for either Array or Plastic Box in the list. Click on your desired option to highlight it. This step will help you organize your components before moving forward to the next task. Let's find an available seat in the system. Begin by navigating to the seating chart. Look for any seats that are not currently assigned or marked as occupied. Hover over each desk to see its status. When you find an empty seat, click to select it. Double-check the seat details to ensure it's available. Once confirmed, save your selection to reserve it. You've now successfully identified and reserved an empty seat. After completing the first step, locate the second item in the list. Make sure you identify it correctly before proceeding to the next step, as this will help ensure the process continues smoothly and efficiently. Next, click the Add button in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Line. Move your cursor to the area where you want to place the line on your canvas. Click once to set the starting point, then drag your cursor to draw the line in the desired direction. Release the mouse button to set the end point of the line. If you need to adjust the line's position or length, select the line by clicking on it. Use the handles at each end of the line to move or resize it as needed. You can also change the line's color or thickness using the Properties panel, typically found on the right side of the screen. Adjust these settings until the line appears as you want. When finished, click outside the line to deselect it. To change the color to red, start by selecting the object or text you want to modify. Click on it to make sure it's highlighted. Next, look for the toolbar or the formatting panel, depending on your software. Find the color picker or the color options, which is usually represented by an icon that looks like a paint bucket, a letter A, or a solid color square. Click on the color icon to open the color palette. In the palette, select the red color. You may see standard shades of red, but if you need a specific red, look for the custom color option or enter a hex code, such as SO0, for a pure red. After you choose the red color, click Apply, or simply click outside the palette to set the new color. To add animation to your project, start by selecting the object you want to animate. Click on the object to highlight it. Next, navigate to the top menu and choose the Animations tab. In the Animations panel, you'll see a variety of animation effects such as fade, fly in, or zoom. Click on the animation style you want to apply. You'll see a small number appear next to your object, confirming that the animation has been added. Now let's adjust the animation's duration. With your object still selected, look for the duration box in the animation settings bar. Enter the number of seconds you want the animation to last, or use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the duration. Preview the effect by clicking play in the animation panel. Next, click the share button to open sharing options. From there, select Download to save the file directly to your device for future access and use. Give your videos a pop with those new Canva animations! Like and subscribe for more creative editing tips.